iFour 4-in-1 OCA Machine. Edge Master. All-in-one versatility. No external devices required. Plug and play. Laminating and defoaming in one machine. Integrated chamber at bottom left. Includes universal laminating pad. Remove dry adhesive protective film. Align glass cover with LCD. Position on pad. Avoid flex cables. Place on work tray. Close chamber door. Select language. Choose small curved screen mode. Press start directly. Auto laminating and defoaming. Finished product ready. No additional operations. Built-in patented compressor. Zero noise during operation. Lamination complete. Remove screen. Let's check the results. Seamless fit. Wipe surface. Zero bubbles. Perfect. Highly integrated design. Compact and lightweight. Under 19 kilograms total weight.